Hi viewers, welcome to Bangles. Today I am going to show you how to make a simple designer silk thread bangle. Let's start. Take a bangle. I have taken yellow color thread here and I have wrapped all over the bangle yellow color. And this is a leaf shape plastic kundan golden color. Apply glue and paste opposite to opposite both the kundans like this. And now one corner apply glue from the center to corner like this crossly and paste two kundans on both the sides like this. Now turn a bangle. Similarly apply glue and paste two kundans from the center both, and now adjust. I have pasted on two sides similarly. And now next to that apply glue and paste round mirror. Then again apply glue at the side and paste small size round kundans. Again mirror. Again a small size golden round kundan. Paste similarly like this one by one. Now mirror, then round kundan, the last one is mirror. That's it, a bangle is ready now. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe Bangles.